How to edit and design Wix blog pages. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're building your website and wondering how to design a blog that look clean and professional, you are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to edit and customize your blog pages inside the Wix. Now, first thing first, if you don't know what is blog post, it is simply a blog post, a story or update or any piece of content that you publish on your website. It could be a recipe, it could be related to tech, guide, a travel story, or even company news, anything you want to share with your visitor. In Wix, your blog posts are stored inside a special section called blog, and Wix automatically organizes them into beautiful pages for you. So, first thing first, what you have to do if you are a beginner and if you are in the Wix studio, something will appear. This interface will be something like this, or if you go into home, something look like this. If you go if you want to select your website, just simply in the top you can select the website from here. Now select the website where you want to add post. Just in my case I have selected this one. Now click on the design. It will take you to Wix Studio, to Wix standard editor where you can add your app. So let's get back to our website where we can add that app. Now what you have to do is in the left side corner you can see the add app option. Just simply click over here. It will open marketplace. In the marketplace you have to search for blog, Wix blog, and just simply hit the enter button. You will get lots of option of application. You can see all of those. In my case I will choose this one. This is for free and you can install it directly into your audit editor. Now I have already downloaded, so it is saying open. If you are not downloaded this application, then it will show install. Now just simply cut it. Now to access your form and pages, what you have to do, in the left side you can see there is an option called pages and menu. Just simply click over here, and in the pages and menu you can see there is a blog page, and click over there and you will get two uh, pages, first blog and the second is post. Let's try to go into blogs where you will get all of the post in the one place. Just wait for a few seconds to load it. As you can see here we got our all posts. Now Now if you come over here you can customize this option as well. Now if you want to change the background, for example, if you want to manage the post, what you have to do, just simply click on the manage post. It will open a dashboard where you can create a new post as well. Just simply click on the create new post. So it is where you can add new post. For example, this is the title. Let's create a blog post where I am sharing my thoughts on cats. And there is a AI as well. For example, I will give you the title, and then let's use the use ChatGPT to create our first blog. If you are not interested to creating a blog, uh, you can skip this part, but to a beginner I will suggest you to know how you can create a part. Now create a cat title where I am explaining cat. It is a blog post. So this is just for tutorial. uh, it will create um, a title. Go back, and over here you can start writing a blog, or you can post here whatever you want. For example, I will use AI tools to write a blog post. It is topic, just give me a title and click on the next. Now if you want number of images you can add that too. If you want tone of voice, it is should be a professional. No, it is not professional. It should be a casual and a funny, and hit enter. Now, if you have a preferences, you can add over here. Just simply click on the create and it will give you the suggested title. I will choose randomly and it will generating your blog post with the using AI. So let's wait for a few seconds to see the result. So we have successfully created a blog post. The images aren't that good. A day in my pause exploring the curious adventure of File Explorer. So this is, I think, the the perspective of the cat. So images are not that good, but I can go with it. Now, if you want to change the paragraph or if you want to change the content area, you can. If you want to change the font size, you can do that as well. This is the customization section where you can customize everything. Now click on the save button and click on the publish. So it will publish on your form. Now go to editor. Now it will take me to my editor where just give a few seconds to load this editor. So we are on the website. If you go into left side, you will get to see this page and menu. Click on it and you will get to see this site pages and you have to choose the blog post. Now after the creating your first blog post, click on the post. It will tell you. So this is a post which we have created earlier. Now if you want to choose a different one like the blogs where you had that 3 templates where, so that as well as changed. Now if you want to go into quick edit, you can edit the background if you want to change, and if you want to change the layout. So if you want to add a section, you can add that. Like this is, so this is how you can add a section. You can add as many posts you want. So whenever someone click on the post section, it will redirect to this post. Now if you want to change the some settings, just simply click on the setting. Something will pop up like this where you can change the what shows on your post, like writer name, publish date, rating, all of those things which are uh, which are on the post. You can customize it. Now if you want to change the layout, so it is right now it is side by side. Now if you want to go into like editorial, you can do that as well. So as much as you create posts, it will appear over here. Now we just as it is now. If you want to go into design, here you can change the navigation. If you want to change the theme of the post, you can change as well. Now if you want to give a category, you can give that too. So there are a lot of customization in it. So you have to just come over here and try this creating all post. Now let's go into post. Let's see what we can customize in the post section. Now, so just click on the edit. You can access this dashboard from the Wix dashboard. Just go into catalog and from here there you can choose it. Now from here you click on the settings. You can change the images of the post as well. Now for example, right now it is don't have any header or anything like that. Like you can not have, this post doesn't have a poster. If you want to add a poster in it, what you can do is just simply add a section over here. Let me see if I can add a section. Now scroll down a little bit. Maybe I'm not able to add section over here, but yeah, you can add the divider. Now let's search for section. Maybe this option is not available into post. If you go into settings category, yeah, they don't have any section regarding uh, the 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 poster or the section, but you can customize. This is good post, it looks good. This is created by AI, so yeah, don't see the headline and the text is not that good. Yeah, you can create it by your own. Just simply click on it and hit the preview button. Now just see the preview, how it looks like. Now click on the web. Now it will take you to this. So we got our the poster. So yeah, if you want to add post into your blog post, just see my other tutorials so you can add it. Now this is how you can create your own uh, blog post into Wix Studio. Oh, sorry, in the Wix editor. Just simply go back, it is working. Now let's go back into home page. Let's see if there is an option showing or not. Click on the save, click on the preview, click on it. Let's see if it is working or not. Click on the preview again. Wait for a few seconds to open the preview. Now we have successfully opened our preview. Click on the menu, it will open something like this. So we got our blogs. Click on the blogs, and this is our post. So whenever someone visit your website to read about you, about what you do, about the post, so you can add this post into it, and whenever someone wants to read, it will just simply click it and it will find the related post and it will read it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So you have successfully learned how you can create a post, how you can create a blog post, how you can use AI. This all the settings you have learned. So if this found video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.